So I left off here in the last video, and so what I want to do is just clean this up some more. Get rid of that one, and maybe put the mic over here. Some information about it. It's not be perfect, but just give me an idea. And I guess I probably won't use this anymore. But this button down here I want to use. I'll just do add to cart. Add to cart. Make this button bigger. We can fit all of this, and we'll make the text font a little bit bigger. Cool, so I think that's pretty much it for the details page. Looks good to me. I don't think I need that up there. Looks good to me. So let's see how this plays out. From the home screen where we were at, we start here at home. Then we're able to pick a category. Here's electronics or something right here. In electronics, we want to see this microphone. We click on microphone. That takes us to a details page, and we are able to add to cart. Maybe we want something that says quantity. How many we want to add. So we can do that real quick. How would we do that here? I should have kept that box. I'll just take this box, put that over here like that. A little bit smaller, and put this over there. I don't want this to be though. New button can be down there. We can put the quantity there. So the text in here would be, and I want two of them for some reason. I don't want one. Because why would we want to? Increase the font on that, 36. Just check that, cool. Okay, that looks pretty good to me. And let's just check our requirements about the shopping cart page, the product page, individual product page. So it says a route we're going to give it, that's fine. It displays all the product information, so its name, its category. So that's the name, and its category we don't have, so I actually deleted that. Let's put this back there. I know where we want to put that information. Maybe put it at the bottom, so we'll put this to maybe 24. I guess that's good to put it right there. Or maybe we just, yeah, that was good. We'll keep that there. Good enough for me. Price, we got the price. Add image representing product. And the user should be able to click and add the shopping cart button right there, add the cart. And clicking this button multiple times increases the quantity of the product in the cart. Okay, so the requirement here, instead of having this box, which I would have, you want it to be, the requirements want us to be able to click this button, and that increases the amount. That's pretty dangerous, but whatever. We'll take that away. And now we just have a button. And maybe I have just a warning for the people who are using this. There we go. Now they know. And click it one time. Okay, so that is everything for the products page, I believe. So all of that is good for the products page, and then we have a category page, home page. So the home page, basic content, site navigation, that's good for the home page. Category page is each product category, home, kitchen, did that. So we do something like home, let's do this like this. Home, kitchen, office, electronics, put garden or something. What other? Food maybe? Or kitchen. See what Amazon has as far as their categories. Bedroom. Bathroom is a good one. Tools. Kids room. Alright, so now we have all these different categories. They're a little off, but whatever. I think as far as like a home page, this is really good. We don't need anything extra here. So right now it gets the job done. Come home. Alright, you're able to pick a category that you want for shopping. Your home, maybe click a category that you want. And I think right now I hit all the requirements for the home page. Yeah, I did. So then we went to categories page. So if I click, say, electronics, takes me to electronics here, and let's see, suggest route, navigation, link to homepage. So we need a link to the homepage. We can just do that right here. Home is going to link back to, oh, we are home. Category, there we go. Home is going to link back to home. What's going on? Category. Oh, I'm on the home page still. So these two interactions are going to click back to home. Okay. So for the electronics page, I can click home, get me home. List all products in that category. So this is listing all the products. Users are able to click on the product and be taken to the individual product page. Like that. And okay, that's all for the basic. Let's look at the stretch goals. Okay, that's definitely a stretch goal. And we'll come back to this. Featured product. 3 featured products at the top of the category page, which displays full product information, clickable links, and also have. Okay, not necessary. But as far as basic requirements, those are met. Let's see, individual product page. So we're going back to the individual product page, and we click there. The route displays all product information. So we got the name, category, price. We did that name, category, price, and the image. And of course the button. You have the button there. So now we need our shopping cart page. We haven't created that yet, so I'll just copy this right here. And this is going to be our shopping cart page. And can remove all of this. How are we going to do shopping carts? Let's see, so it needs a navigation to the home page. We got that. Display all the products added to the user shopping cart. For the product item, users should be able to see quantity, number of items. Okay. So this is more so like this. I'm going to get rid of all these. Maybe increase this right here. And we'll do, I don't need this, I don't think. I'm going to increase the font on this, 32. This is going to let us know what item we chose. And we want to know how many we ordered. So we'll put that on that button. Going to order. Order 2 of these, because why not? So we can do another one or something else. And we got mechanical pencils. Pencil. We have 67, we have 6 of those. And the total for it on the other side. Total for those is going to be, I don't know, $200, $201.42. And these were some expensive mechanical pencils. So $73. 62 cents. Total price for the entire order. So we'll do total price. Yeah, we'll keep total price. There. Total price. Just bust out the calculator real quick. Do 201 plus 73. 274. 274. 275. 32. Somewhere in there. I'm thinking maybe we can do another one of these for the total price. This field would be like that, and maybe add stroke to it. Okay, seems alright to me. Maybe do we need this? Yeah, I think so. do it like that. That's better. Okay, so now we have a cart, and remove a product from cart via stretch goal. We'll work on that. Total parts for entire order, but it looks like this page gets everything that we need for that. And then we just have a search, and that would be the last page. I'm making okay timing as part of the video. So let's see, we go home. Actually, this button here should, let's see, product page. This needs to be attached to, on click, we're gonna navigate to the shopping cart. Actually, no, we're not gonna do that. On shopping cart, we're gonna navigate to the shopping cart. We want to stay on that page because for whatever reason the requirements say that every time we click that button we're going to be adding instead of having like a quantity type thing. So that's what we're going to do. And actually we can link all of these, that right there, to there as well. And that right there, to there as well. So now the shopping cart, it takes us to a shopping cart. Some mechanical pencils, home, electronics, shopping cart, home, electronics, microphone, shopping cart. Okay, so the last one will be our search page. And it doesn't look like it's too much. We're just doing product exists, display the product information. If it's not available, display an appropriate message. So if a product exists, display the product information. So if we search for it and it exists, then we'll just take it to the product page. If not, we'll give it an error. So that's pretty easy. So in our search page, how do I want to do this? I think I'll copy this one. And just change this up. This will be search. And instead of this and this, get rid of this. And just turn this into a search bar. To the middle, search, and I need a button. I just copied this one here. Let's just do a search, and I guess we'll change this color as well, something more searchy. And that's it. So my simple search. I'm going to type in here, I would search for it, and once it finds it, it would take it to the product page. So for example, this one right here, once you click this interaction, I'm going to click it, and it's going to navigate to the product page. So we can go home. Actually, let's fix all of these searches. So every search on here, this search, this search, this search, and this search. This search is all going to go to this page. Okay, now we can go, we are home. So we can check out electronics or we just search. So we're going to search, type in Rode microphone, and once we type in Rode microphone, we can go to search, and that takes us to our Rode microphone. Which is pretty interesting because you have to be very specific about what microphone you're looking for. In this search anyway. If the product exists, yeah, that's what it says. You have to search for a specific product by its name. That's okay. Anyway, that's the requirements. Maybe I'll add some stretch goal to where if I put in Rode microphone and it's not specific, it can take you to a search for like microphones or whatever. So if I type in microphones, maybe I'll pull up a page with all microphones or something like that as a stretch goal. But as the requirements is right now, I just need to put in a specific name and that name pulls up. So I go to search, it's going to take me to this page. And that looks like everything. Shopping cart, search, home. Yeah, so that's it for the UI. Search page, shopping cart page. We can do it in time. So we're home. We're looking for, we can go to electronics, check out all the electronics we have in here. Details for this microphone. We want to add that to our cart. We add that to the cart. We can check out the shopping cart, and we put in 2 Rode microphones, pencil, and that's it. There's no checkout or anything like that. It's just a cart, and that is it for this project as far as the UI goes.